All right, so the vocals. Now, here we go. I'll just solo the vocal here.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel.
That's literally what came to me. It already had those effects on it. And then the effects end up throwing all the time to the left.
Me los tatué.
And I like that, but at the same time, I wanted some variation. So that's what I dealt with first. So I copied the lead vocal down into a duplicate, and I used the Melda Utility, and I swapped the left and the right channel. Now that gives me the ability to have everything.
Toditos tus gemidos, me los tatué. Dime cuando te.
So now everything is sort of doing the rotation to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. All right, so that's what that's about. Now from there, I'm going to be adding a little bit of lo-fi.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel.
And then my Pro Q4.
Tus labios dulces como la miel, toditos tus gemidos. Me los tatué.
C2.
Dime cuando te vuelvo a ver. No olvido tu olor a Chanel que
RVox.
impregnado en mi piel.
Nothing too crazy.
Tus labios dulces como la miel, toditos tus gemidos.
The multiband.
Me los tatué.
So with the multi-band is I'm controlling the mids here a little bit more, the lower mids. And I'm also boosting a little bit of the presence that's found in 1.5 to 5 points, about 6K. Also boosting the top end. Okay, that's the multiband. With the multiband, I'm also, before I move on, I am boosting as well on the out. Spectre, this will give me my 4.5 to 5.7 boost of saturation, not too much though. EQP 1A, this here is going to be giving me some body, and then I'm also cutting some of the muddiness from the vocal.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel. Tus labios dulces como la miel, toditos tus gemidos.
Subtle, but it definitely does clean things up. Stabilizer. This is a great one for somewhat kind of like a soothe. It almost does the exact same thing.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel.
And now Pro Q4. Even though I could use the new function, I like using stabilizer, but I like Pro Q4 on this here too.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel. Toditos tus.
This is some reduction. I did a little bit of boosting earlier, which was the first Q4, just to get some presence up. And then my transify, just to give myself a little bit of more transient.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel. Tus labios dulces como la miel.
That's also giving me some volume too, about 2 dB. The parallel compressor, that's going into my L1. And that's giving me exactly what an L1 would do.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel. Tus labios dulces como la miel, toditos tus gemidos.
Just a little bit of a boost. Nothing too crazy. Giving me what I want though. All right, then I'm sending to a Hall reverb. Let's go down to the Hall reverb. Oh, the aura. Yeah, this is a new pickup from the Black Friday deals. What up, Brainworks, Native Instruments? You guys are killing it. This was awesome. Listen to what this does.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel.
Let's listen to how smooth that is.
Dulces con
All right.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel.
Is that all that I'm doing? Oh, and I got a little V delay. Let's go into that and see where that is. Let's swing it over.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel. Tus labios dulces como la miel, toditos tus gemidos me los tatué.
All right, so what's happening there? V delay, a quarter note on Ghost, little alter boy, a little bit of formatting, shifting down. P, S22 spread, giving me a little bit of that width that it likes to do, and then some reverb at the end. So I'm getting a little bit of more sauce from that.
No olvido tu olor a Chanel que quedó impregnado en mi piel.
That's the vocals. The background vocals sound like this. Let's see what we got. Same idea with this one where it was one stereo track and everything was panned off to the left. So I decided to split them up and use utility tool to swap left to right, so that way I can control the left and the right a little bit better. This is the alien voice that they had. This was done during the production of the vocal. Let's listen to what it is. I decided to just widen her out, get it a little bit out more. It takes away some of the presence, but I like that. It wasn't that bad. The multiband is the same setting from the main vocal, and the RVox is going to be a little bit more compression than the main vocal, but it does give me a little bit of a powerful push, powerful control to it. So vocal sauce. This is another DJ Swivel plugin. I'm telling you guys are sleeping on DJ Swivel. Do not sleep on the sauce. This is it right here. I think with this one, I'm only using the smoke on it. So it's the reverb part of the plugin. Great tool and some spread as well. So it gives you a little bit more width. All right, let's see what it sounds like. All right, that's what it is. Nothing too crazy. Same idea with the delay. So this delay had already their processing on it. I didn't want to mess with it too much. So what I did was I simply went in and added a little bit of a filter to it. At the moment, I felt like I just wanted to filter it out and take out some of the body. I did that using the Niveau Filter from Plugin Alliance. So obviously a lot of this is being done in the process, right? We're not mixing everything individually and then listening. It's all being done together to see what works, see what doesn't work, and that's what worked for this mix. Now all of that put together came out to this conclusion here.
Mi amor, que a ti tengo sed. Si nos gustamos mucho, bebé, no perdamos más tiempo. Veamos el sol caer. Que se repita la canción, bailando una de don. Mi amor, que a ti tengo sed. Si nos gustamos mucho, bebé, no perdamos más tiempo. All right. That's it. That's the mix. There wasn't
too crazy of moves that I did, just a couple little things I needed to do to get what I wanted. Splitting things in half, using the utility tool to place things in a different side than it was sent to me. You know, those types of moves is what, you know, engineering is all about. Kind of have to rethink about what you're doing and why you're doing it to get a taste and to get an idea of what you want. But thank you so much for checking me out on my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you have any concerns, letters to the editors, or prayer requests, also let me know. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.